Alright, so we got a wrench ready, we got our gloves on, fixing to change this gear, we're ready to go. We'll change that. Got that done. Alright, we'll change the gear. Alright, so we got it off, we'll change the new gear, put the new gear back on, wrap our chain on here, just like that. And then we'll wrap it around there like that. Keep in mind, we gotta have that sprocket guard on there. This is how it's gonna happen when you're in a hurry. So quick change. Tighten it down. We'll do.